ambassadors. Kamusta? Kamusta yung mga, ano yung naging diskarte ninyo sa game? Ikaw mo nagpapagpili.
Gusto ko manalo, kaso hindi ako nanalo eh. I tried to be practical by not getting, by staying liquid, half liquid, and then for safety, emergency token. It's nice. It's a good way to actually stay engaged, and also, you know, the information that you're gonna get, of course, when you're trying to shop for funds or accounts. What do you call it?
Mutual funds?
For your life choices, di ba? With the Play for Life, ang dami mong choices na makikita. And yun nga, may strategy ka, you know. Depends on how practical you are or how aggressive you are. Who won?
Oh, syempre!
Buti na lang dito, no?
Ang galing po, no, na Sun Life came up with this new approach pagdating sa advocating financial literacy and of course financial planning. Kasi I think for some of us, including myself, parang pag sinabing financial literacy or planning, parang overwhelming love and parang nakaka-intimidate. But ginawa nilang games so mas engaging, mas fun, diba love? And sabi ko nga love, ito parang in a way, meron ka rin parang it's influential also sa mga life choices mo. Parang siyang simulation, no, ng pag-manage ng finances mo. So, ang galing po ng sana.
Cute. Thank you so much, Shara. Mateo, how did you find the experience?
Winners, taas ang kamay.
Bumiti lang siya eh, nanalo na.
Winners din, at samba lang tayo siya. No, but on a serious note, it was fun because when we started the game, Piolo chose an insurance, Sarah chose an insurance.
Gamer lang ako eh.
And both of them chose an emergency fund. I didn't. Sabi ko, sige, I'll risk it. But yung second turn ko, yun, nagsisi ako, dapat I got an emergency fund. And it made me realize it's really important to have an emergency fund compared to just being liquid.
Priority yun.
So it was fun, It, like what Sarah said, it really simulates, like, gives you a better understanding of different choices on your life, on the emergencies that life can give to you. So, yun, masaya. Nanalo tayo.
Gusto ko na yun yung sandwich ng statement ni Mateo. Pero for Carla naman, kasi we're talking about life choices, yung mga biglaang gastos na hindi natin ina-expect. Of course, critical illness is always one of those things that we need to look out for. How exactly does insurance help?
Actually, Len, sa buhay naman ayaw natin na mangyari yun, di ba? In fact, critical illness, sometimes you just hear our friends or family members suffer from it. And it's unfortunate because sometimes you also don't have enough money to pay for treatment. Now, and this is where critical insurance can actually come in. Kasi yung critical insurance plan, actually, what it can help is to pay for treatment. So, and what's nice about the critical insurance plan is it doesn't limit you kung saan mo gusto magpagamot. Kahit sa ang hospital na gusto mo. Because, like for example, Sun Fit and Well, it's a life insurance, critical illness insurance policy of Sun Life, wherein we provide the insured a lump sum benefit upon diagnosis of a critical illness. Now, that lump sum amount, the insured can actually use it for treatment. Or, kung meron namang HMO, pwede nilang gamitin din yung fund na yun for other things. Let's say, for example, to set up a rehabilitation fund or a recovery fund. So that's what's nice about these kinds of policies.
Yan. So really, di ba, I'm sure a lot of you also experience nakabunot ng card, na critical illness, and then all of a sudden, you don't have that card that can save you. Diba? You don't have that product that can save you, help you fund the treatment. So there you go. Pero